properties of matter. We know that matter exists in broadly three states: solid, liquid, and gas. All matter is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. Molecules are so tiny that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. The way the molecules are arranged in a substance determines the state of matter. Molecules in solids are tightly packed, giving them a definite shape and a fixed volume. In liquids, the molecules are loosely packed such that they do not have a definite shape but do have a fixed volume. This is the reason why liquids flow and take the shape of the container. In gases, the molecules are very loosely arranged. Gases have neither a definite shape nor a fixed volume. They occupy all the available space. Gases can be squeezed, that is, compressed, into specially created metallic cylinders. We observe this in liquefied petroleum gas, that is LPG, and compressed natural gas, that is CNG cylinders. Properties of matter. The things around us are made up of different kinds of matter or material having specific properties. Matter can be heavy, for example, weights, or light, for example, wool. Hard, for example, stone, or soft, for example, cotton ball. Colored, for example, orange juice, or colorless, for example, water. Rough, for example, tree trunk, or smooth, for example, satin cloth. Breakable, for example, glass, or unbreakable, for example, coin. Some more properties of matter. Matter can be transparent, translucent, or opaque. Materials that allow light to pass through them are called transparent materials. We can see through transparent materials such as plain glass and clear water. You can see the tiles in a swimming pool because of the transparent nature of water. Some other examples are window panes or reading glasses. In contrast, we cannot see through the walls of our houses, a wooden plank, a book, concrete pillars, etc. This is because such materials do not allow any light to pass through them. Such materials are called opaque materials. Materials that allow only some amount of light to pass through are called translucent materials. These materials are partially transparent. Butter paper, tracing paper, colored or tinted glass, light malmal fabric are some examples of translucent materials. Matter can conduct heat and electricity. Usually, Cooking utensils are made of metal and fitted with plastic or wooden handles. Metals conduct or pass on heat faster, and thus the utensils heat up quickly. Metals like iron, copper, silver and aluminium are good conductors of heat and electricity. Materials that take longer to heat up are called bad conductors of heat and electricity. Wood and plastic are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Therefore, the plastic or wooden handles fitted on the metallic utensils help in lifting it easily when hot. Glass, rubber, plastic and china clay are some other bad conductors of heat and electricity. Electric wires and tools are made of iron or copper, that is good conductor, but are always enclosed in a plastic covering, that is bad conductor. Rubber is also used in insulating wires to prevent direct contact with a live wire. Remember to call an electrician immediately in case you notice an opening in insulation, that is a rubber covering of any electric wire. Always remember to wear rubber footwear when using electric appliances. This prevents the possibility of getting an electric shock. Matter can be inflammable or non-inflammable. Substances like camphor, wood, paper, that is solids, and fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene, that is liquids, and CNG, that is gas, are substances that catch fire easily and are thus called inflammable substances. Metals, glass and many man-made materials do not burn easily. These are non-inflammable in nature. Water, mud and sand are also non-inflammable. In fact, this is why water and sand are commonly used to put out fires.